always not shopping is the best way to save money. But other than that, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a video that I have been thinking about a lot, and I kept thinking I need to get this out there. I just feel like everyone needs to know all of these things, and sometimes I'm talking to people and they're telling me about something they want to purchase and I'm like, oh, but you know you can do this, right? And they're like, what? Everyone needs to know all of these tips before they ever buy anything at Target again. So I'm sitting down getting this video together because these tips are going to change your Target shopping life forever, I promise. First of all, before I get into it, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I would love if you would subscribe to my channel and follow along and give this video a thumbs up if you want more tips like this. I love shopping. I love saving money. So I have a lot of things like this up my sleeve and I would love to share more. And then the last thing before I start, I just wanted to talk a little bit more about this necklace. I did mention it in my last video, but I have had a few people message me asking me more questions about it. So I did want to share again, this necklace, this choker, I will probably be wearing it forever and ever. You will always see it. So I'm gonna answer all the questions about it now. It's from a company called Made by Mary. I will link their Instagram below so you can check them out, but it is the place to go for beautiful, high quality, dainty jewelry, and it is so affordable considering how incredible these pieces are. I can wear this necklace every day and it's not going anywhere, and I just love it so much. I don't even know if you can tell, but it has these little balls along it, but it's still so simple. If you guys have seen it in other videos, maybe my baby has a matching one, and I can't even explain to you like how sentimental that is for me. Everyone always compliments like, oh, I love your necklace, and then they see it on Malia and they're like, oh my gosh, she has one too. Everyone thinks it's like the cutest thing, and I totally agree. Well, anyways, I just wanted to talk about that just for 1 second because I know I'm going to continue to get questions about that. So I compiled a complete list of all the tricks that you need to know to save money when you're shopping at Target. I know Target is kind of a place we all like to go if we need something or if we just want to browse. If we're not sure exactly what we need, we just need inspiration. We all like to go to Target for that. The first thing you need to know to save money at Target is don't go to Target. Always not shopping is the best way to save money. But other than that, if you're going to shop anyways, these are the things you need to know. So the easiest thing you can possibly do is just get a Target Red Card. Something that most people might not know about it is you can either set it up to be debit or credit. It can pull directly from your account, or you can have it be on a credit line. So that makes it really simple if you don't want to have additional credit card bills, you don't want to worry about that. It can pull directly from your account, and every purchase you make, always, you get 5% off. So there's other reasons why I love the Target Red Card. First of all, 5% off every purchase adds up by the end of the year, but also you always get free shipping on your orders online. A lot of the time it's 2-day free shipping, so it's kind of like Amazon. So sometimes if I need something, even like not really something I need to get from Target, but I want it delivered for free to my house, and it's not something I want to buy on Amazon, I just buy it from Target. Okay, the next thing you can do that's so easy is download the Cartwheel app, and that is awesome because it saves you money on Target brand things always. All those things are usually 5 or 10% off. So when you're shopping, if you're buying anything that's Target brand, you can usually get an additional discount on those things, but you can also get discounts throughout the store. And sometimes you have to really kind of look through it. Sometimes you can look through it to get like, oh wow, this is 30% off today, so maybe I should add that to my list of things I'm gonna buy. Or if you're at Target, you can kind of scan each of the items you're going to buy and see if it pops up on the Cartwheel app. They've changed it a little bit over the years, but they've set it up so it's really user-friendly now, and there's no reason not to save a few dollars every time you go to Target when you use your Cartwheel app. This video is not sponsored. I'm just letting you know the way you should save money. Okay, this is kind of like a newer thing Target's been doing, and it's genius. Every store needs to get on board with this. But if you are shopping online at Target and you put things into your shopping cart, just load up your shopping cart of anything and everything you want. If you do not check out, it saves in your shopping cart in your online account, and then anytime there is a sale or a promotion or a price drop on any of the things in your cart, it sends you an email and it lets you know there's a promotion on this item, so you can go ahead and buy it knowing that you got the best price. So I love that. All stores should do that all the time. Then it helps me feel confident in making my purchase, and sometimes I put things in that cart waiting, knowing that a promotion will eventually come, and then if it does and I'm like, well, I really don't even want that anymore, I feel great because I didn't buy it and I didn't waste any money. So along with that, just make sure you are signed up for promotional emails, because sometimes you are in the market for things. Like recently Target had an email sent to me that was 40% off kids uniforms. If you have kids that wear uniforms in school, that would be an amazing deal to know about, but if you're not signed up for the promotion, you might never know and you would have missed out on that amazing deal if that's something that you needed. The key is don't be sucked in thinking, oh, everything's on sale, I need to buy it now. It will always come back on sale, and if it's not something you need, just don't get it. Okay, here's another huge thing, and I feel like it's kind of a secret, but things online a lot of times are cheaper than things in the store. So whenever I'm buying something in the store, I always scan the barcode with my Cartwheel app, which is the best thing, and it pulls it up online, and I compare the price. If it's cheaper online, the store will match the online price and any promotions that they have online. So always check it, especially if it's a big ticket item. Like if you're buying a rug in the store, it could be like $30 or $40 cheaper online. Make sure you're kind of comparing, especially on the bigger ticket items. Some of the smaller things maybe isn't worth it, especially if you're buying a lot. But if you're buying something that's big ticket, make sure you compare the price online to in-store. The last tip I have for you is don't be afraid to do price adjustments. I think that is such an easy way to save money at all stores you go to. Now, some stores don't honor price adjustments anymore. Some stores will say, we don't do that. So you might have to physically return the item and then repurchase it. Don't be afraid to do that. That's okay, especially if you're in that window of like the 2 weeks. Some stores have up to 30 days where you can price adjust something. And if you're not familiar with that, what that basically means is I bought something and then the next week it was cheaper. So I go into the store with my receipt. Some stores require you to bring in the item and they will price adjust it for you. Target is incredible. So they do have a really, really good price adjustment policy. They will never hassle you, but if there is ever any problems, they're usually on your side and they will make sure that you get the money back that you deserve. There was one instance recently where I can't remember all the details, but for whatever reason, they were unable to do my price adjustment. So what I ended up having to do was actually just fully return the item and then repurchase it at the price. And they didn't give me any problem. We just couldn't actually just price adjust through the receipt. So, I mean, that wasn't a huge issue and they worked with me completely. So just, you know, work with them. Always be kind to your customer service representatives. I know that can be hard sometimes, but if you're nice to them, they want to be nice to you. And Target especially, they just want to please their customer. And that's one of the reasons I will always shop there, and they just have an amazing service policy. So anyways, what tips do you guys use at Target? Is there anything I'm missing? I would love to know, because trust me, I want to save every penny I can, especially, you know, Target, sometimes we spend a little bit more than we mean to. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.